All right, so today we're checking out the WYZE Cam V3, and probably the biggest advantage of this version compared to previous versions of the WYZE Cam is that it's an indoor as well as outdoor camera. So it has an IP65 rating, which means it's going to be safe no matter if it rains, if it snows, any type of weather conditions, it's going to hold up just fine. So inside the box, you're going to get this quick start guide to help you get everything set up. So you're going to get the camera, a micro USB cable, some screws to help you mount the camera, as well as a magnet which you can also use to mount the camera. So you can see the bottom of the camera sticks directly to the magnet. So underneath the camera is where you have a slot for a micro SD card, and it supports up to 32 gigabytes to give you additional recording storage. And then you also have your setup button. So what you want to do is go ahead and download the WYZE app. I already have the app, so I'm just going to update it. And then you want to go ahead and plug in the camera using the micro USB cable. From there, you'll see the red light flashing on the camera, and then you want to go ahead and press that setup button.
Ready to connect.
So after you hear that, you want to go ahead and go into the app, click on Add Device, and then you're going to choose WYZE Cam V3. And then pretty much you're just going to follow the steps within the app. So then you want to go ahead and connect the camera to your Wi-Fi, and it will pull up this QR code, which you're going to scan with the camera. So after the camera is connected, you can go ahead and pick a name for the camera. And also you do get a 2-week trial of WYZE Cam Plus, which gives you some more advanced features and recording options. So you can see the camera is connected and we're able to see the live feed directly through the app. So here is just an example of how the footage looks. It's 1080p, and this is just me walking out on my front porch, and you can see that the motion tracking is working. And then here's another example of me just walking down my hallway, and you can see that the motion tracking does a great job of picking up on any sort of movement. And then the camera does have night vision, so you can see right here I'm in a room with all of the lights turned off, and it still has no problem seeing me perfectly fine. So that's just a quick introduction and setup of the WYZE Cam V3.